Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti, para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí. Para poder existir, te elijo a ti, te lo voy a repetir, te elijo a ti, siempre voy a insistir, te elijo a ti, ya no quiero sufrir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí. Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti, para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Te quiero, 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 te quiero decir que te quiero, 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 te quiero decir, te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti, para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti.
Hey, 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 hey. Shred Lords.
Te elijo a ti.
Shred Lords. ¿Qué tal, amigos and amigas?
Te elijo a ti.
What are we doing? It's Finance Fridays. Let's rock, top dog, Shred Lords. Hold on, I need lights. I need lights so we can get this thing going.
Vamos a quemar, me llamas en la disco en la semana como tú lo mueves, baby, ya no sé qué va a pasar.
Everybody spam how you feeling on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being absolutely on freaking fire. And 1 feeling like a bum. How we doing? How we doing? Spam it, spam it, spam it. Andy, we gotta get that onto a file, my boy.
Baby, no, 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 no. Esta noche no pasa, es que ahora verás. Esta noche no pasa.
Let's rock, let's rock. Hey, where my homies at? Shred Lords. Shred Lords. Wait, why are we playing this right now? Hold on. I can't hear you guys yet, so 1 second. I said hear you guys. I'm tripping. Hey, we got so many moves to make. Y'all don't understand. I just put a little thing together for us. I was about to get our analysts on this, but I don't know where our interns at. Where's our interns at? Y'all got me doing all the work. Where's our interns at? I'm saying? Where's our interns at? Oh, snap. Andy, I hope you're feeling better, bro. I hope you're feeling better. Let's freaking go. Thank you, Gary. Oh, y'all thought I was goofing. Hold on. Y'all thought I was chilling. This is, hey, we ain't on no light skin stuff. It's Stockfish Fridays. What y'all talking about? Get up out of here.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't
Get up out of here. It's Stockfish Fridays. And apologies. I'm amped up. I drank a Bloom after the gym.
$1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem. And I still
y'all trying to make some money or what?
Yeah, I've been in the lab, so I'm not one you see around thinking about my goals. So
Shred
I'm not
Lords.
fun to be around now. I want the whole field. Ain't no bush to
Hello,
beat
everybody.
around. I take it to the sky.
Retail, we gotta get that up, bro.
The ground, wild call by. You can say I'm in the hunt now.
My glasses
Living out
so
my
dirty.
fantasy. They love it when I touch down. Flyer than a plane or a pelican. I'm up now. Money, true holiday. I'm playing
for the Bucks now.
I'm out in BK.
Steve Nash.
I don't see much, man. I
We only see cash.
You can't be mad. You need to relax. And
Richard,
my
what you laughing at?
drunkest hustle, I'm about to
Y'all making fun of me?
relapse. I'm getting all this money just
Hey.
for making these apps. Hope they take care of my hood when I'm paying each tax. I'm managing my
Edwin
ways,
talking
so
about
they
a
say
3.
he's trash,
You better
but they
add
look
2
me
more.
up on Google, they be
Hey.
keeping these tabs.
Let's be real about it.
I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. That's not a real problem. And I still got it.
I need a
$1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem.
And I still got it. I need a what?
$1 billion. Yeah, my bars are infinite.
Hold on. How the heck y'all doing? Happy freaking Friday, Shred Lords. How the heck we doing, y'all? Hey, man, I missed the crew, y'all. I missed the crew. I was out here wondering, I was like, when is all this work about to be done? I gotta hop on stream with the dogs. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we was cranking. We was in flow state all day just doing what we do, Shred Lord type stuff. But I was like, when is it gonna be over? Because I gotta get on stream with the dogs. You know what I'm saying? Hey, for all of y'all that said 4 and below, y'all better add some numbers to that because we on 5, baby. Every day above ground is a W in this book. That's how we rollin', chat. Thank God I messed up my cue. That's how we rollin', chat.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby.
Yeah.
It's not a real problem, and I still
Oh,
got
sorry,
it.
Twitch.
I need
Let me,
$1 billion.
update the title for you guys
Let's
on
be
Twitch.
real about it. I mean, I don't really care
I haven't
about how
updated
you
the
feel
title in,
about
like,
it.
a
I
few
mean, I
days.
don't even really
What day are we
have
on,
a
guys?
real hobby.
What
It's
day
not
is
a
this?
real problem, and I still got
40.
it. I need $1 billion.
I don't know. What day is this? Anybody know what day this is?
I'm not one you see around thinking about my goals, so I'm not fun to be around.
44?
Now I want
45?
the whole
What does the
field.
title
Ain't no
say?
bush to beat around. I take it to the sky, so I don't ever see the ground.
45?
I'll call by. You can say I'm in the hunt now, living out my
Guys, let me know.
fantasy. They love it when I touch
I gotta
down,
update the
flyer
Twitch
than a
title.
plane or
What
a
da- what-
pelican. I'm up now.
Oh,
Money,
44?
true holiday. I'm playing
Okay.
for the Bucks
Oh, it's
now.
44.
I'm out in BK, Steve Nash. I don't see much.
Dutch,
man.
all I do
only
is see cash.
You can't
All right,
be mad. You need to relax.
stock
And my favorite
pitch.
drug is hustle. I'm about to relapse.
Fridays
I'm getting all this
with
money
Chat
just for
Capital.
making these apps. Hope they take care of my hood when I'm
Hey, it's
paying
Stock
these
Pitch
checks.
Fridays.
I'm managing my waist, so they say
Dang, it's only
he's
44?
trash, but they look me up on Google. They be keeping these
Shout out to
tabs.
y'all on
Be real
Twitch. I
about
appreciate
it.
y'all for showing up.
I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it.
I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby.
It's not a real problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real
We just
about
gotta-
it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it.
We just got a brand that emailed us. Let's read this together. Hi, Kenny. I hope all is going well. My name is Francis, creator marketing agency representing blank. We've been following your channel and really love your content and would love to offer a deal at X price. Decline. You want to know why? I need $1 billion.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel.
This ain't
about
no
it.
gaming
I mean,
channel.
I don't even really have a real hobby.
This ain't
It's
no
not a
food
real
blog.
problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's
Man.
be real about it. I mean,
This
I don't
ain't-
really care about how you feel about it.
This ain't no
I mean, I
Roblox
don't
recap.
even really have a real hobby.
We ain't
It's
paying
not a real
Minecraft.
problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion.
You know how much it costs to be on this freaking channel? Y'all better understand, this premium real estate, baby. I got Shred Lords in here. I got Shred Lords in here. Hey, y'all, I just be declining brand deals just for y'all because I keep trying to preserve our brand equity value. You know what I'm saying? We got the Rolex of content. You know what I'm saying? We really got the Rolex of content. What y'all saying? If they ain't coming at us talking about I'm willing to offer 9 figures, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. Sorry. Go to the next guy that's selling courses. But this right here, this ship, this Kenny Finance ship, we ain't got time for that. All right? We rocking and rolling. Now, let's do a little roll call real quick. Let's holler at the homies. Where the homies at? Where the homies at, huh? Where the homies at? Happy Friday, y'all. I hope everybody's having literally an immaculate day, first and foremost. I gotta catch up on the chat. And thank you guys for showing up early. I gotta catch up on the chat. First, we gotta kick it in the let's kick it in the cafecito vibes. Gracias, Carolina. Mi amor. Happy Shredlord Fridays. We have a lot to go through today, but more importantly, we simply have to focus on getting our stock pitches through the freaking roof. All right? Where's A-Dub at? Is our chief investment officer here? I see our CRO here. Anyway, thank you for everybody that showed out on the stream this week. Thank you for everybody that submitted your pitches. If you guys are in the Discord, thank you for being in the Discord and adding your market commentary and submitting your names to the pitch forms. We're going to go through all those. Here, I'm going to paste the Discord link for anybody that's not in the Discord. I'm going to paste the Discord link for anybody that's not in the Discord. Y'all been going crazy in the Discord, too. We're going to pin it. We're going to pin it. Because some of these names are going to be a little controversial. Some of them are going to be all right, but, you know. Daddy. Hey, what up, Twinster? How you doing, CIO? Thank you for joining, sir. Thank you for joining, sir. All right, let's do a little roll call. We got James is the early bird hits the worm. Hey, James, once again, happy official birthday, sir. I literally hope you had the greatest day of your entire life. No cap. I literally hope you had the greatest friggin' day of all time. All right? So, happy birthday, sir. God bless you. And hope you had an amazing day, my man. Hope you had an amazing day. Retail, what's up, top dog? How you doing, man? Vatican ETFs. Y'all got me out here trying to pitch Vatican ETFs? Y'all funny. Yeah, retail, tell them, bro. Retail, tell them, bro. I had to do it twice yesterday, man. I don't even know how to do it, like, officially. It takes me a while to find the button, but I'll do it. All right. Andy Excels, welcome, sir. Thank you for joining. I hope the stream working. Hopefully we working up in here, y'all. My boy Edwin's in the mix. Edwin, give us a 1 minute not 1 minute, but like one sentence recap. How's the trash bin cleaning business? Keep in mind, time kills all deals, Brody. Time kills all deals. All right? So whatever you can do to keep pushing the needle, whether that's having conversations, sending across diligent requests, or like following up, or letting them know, hey, some of the things are essential, some of the things are not. Just making sure you're keeping the momentum on that deal going is mission critical. By the end of second quarter, I want to see Edwin owning a cash flowing trash bin cleaning business. I'm so obsessed with this deal, bro. I'm so obsessed with this deal. Kenny is getting his cafecito right now. Hey, y'all know how I roll. 24-hour capitalism stream. Go capitalism. I got some friends that will slap me in the face for saying go capitalism. I really got some capitalism hater friends, and I still love them. And I got some capitalism loving friends. I got all kind of friends. I just be sitting in the mix, y'all. I love everybody. Hey, for real though, Garrett, how do I do this? You said make a clone with AI and do a 24/7 stream with the clone. How do I actually do that, bro? Like, I'm trying to make a burnt peanut version of myself, but is actually like fully AI, where it like studies and understands all my jokes. It knows everything I know about content, and that thing just rips jokes, content, advice, ideas, everything that's non-cancelable. All right? I need a completely safe bot. You know? Rich Topic, what's up, big dog? How you doing, man? Happy Friday night, bro. Hope you and the fam are doing well, and I know you've been hustling. I know you've been grinding, man. So I'm wishing you good wishes on your grind, my dude. I'm wishing you absolutely good wishes and Godspeed with the hustle, Rich Topic. All right, Godspeed, Rich Topic, sir. We can make Kenny bot 9,000 a thing. I bet you y'all could. 10 bands, whoever builds it. It just wouldn't be the same. Yeah, because you wouldn't have as much ADHD as the real Kenny. Kendall, what's up, Shred Dog? How you doing, Shred Lord? Welcome back, Kendall. Hope you're doing incredibly well, and I hope you had a fantastic, happy Friday, Kendall. Richard, always talking mess. You always be freaking me out with this double, bro. Your stuff's just glitched. It's called show up on time like James, Richard. All right? And Edwin, that's what you gotta do. You got double audio because you're showing up 30 minutes late, bro, to class. Come on, man. But glad you're living a 5-day. I'm glad you're doing. I'm glad your day is a 5, bro. Yeah. Hold on. Dang it. All right, I can't do that. That one's copyrighted. That song's copyrighted. Proceed. All right. Rich Topic's doing a 5. I love that. Edwin, why is it a 3? Hi, all. It's nice to meet you as well. Oh, Andy. Wait, everybody. This is Andy's first time in the stream. Holy guacamole. I didn't know that. I thought I recognized that name. I think I probably saw your name on some other platform like Instagram or something. Holy crap. Dude, everybody say hi, Andy. Spam hi, Andy in the chat. Everybody spam hi, Andy right now. We're not proceeding until everybody says hi to Andy, all right? That's how we do. We're welcoming him to the Shred Lord fold, all right? We all fam here. Hi, freaking Andy. Hope you're doing incredibly well. Hope you're doing incredibly well. I'm gonna call you Shred Lord Andy. So great to see you, man. Thank you for joining us, especially on a Friday night, bro. Especially on a Friday night. Kendall, could I pitch my favorite stock and explain why? Of course. I told everybody to pitch it on the pitch link, but you can't do a freestyle pitch. The pitches have to be through the link because that link goes into our chat capital tracker, so we have all the essential data. So. But it has to be high conviction names. Everybody's only been pitching high conviction names that have like real value oriented diligence. So, ooh, wait, you can put a Kenny bot in Discord? Wait, Garrett, actually show me how to do that. I don't know how to do that, bro. Retail, add 1.5 to that and you'll be good. I'm just recovering from being sick. Otherwise it would be a 5. Hey, Andy, I'm praying that you recover well, man. And I'm hoping that you have nothing but great, incredible health from this day onward, bro. So God bless you, man. I hope you have incredible health. All right, sure. Hope you have incredible health, Andy. Oh, Gary, you're too nice, bro. You're too nice. Y'all too nice. Or y'all just capping. Kenny, I DM'd you a private equity question only to hear that you've been getting spam with DMs similar to mine in your latest stream. Sorry. You got the message. You showed up. You showed up. I don't want to be disrespectful, Andy. It's just that like my one-on-one time is just like uber expensive and I just don't feel right charging people that. So it's just like you might as well just join the streams and chat with the Shred Lords and build a community here, you know? Otherwise, it's like it's thousands of dollars an hour. But keep in mind, I get like hundreds of these a day on each platform, like on Instagram, on TikTok, especially on LinkedIn. Like that's where all the nerds are on LinkedIn. And they're like, oh, can I borrow 30 minutes of your time? As if 30 minutes of my time ain't about to freaking unlock value for my portfolio company. So I only said it on stream because I do this. I gotta make a long form videos, and then I also have to run a whole holding company and source deals, and I also have to manage like a portfolio company that we just are about to acquire. So it gets intense, bro. So I just placed the craziest premium on my time just so that we keep the right things in motion, brother. We keep I wish, but Garrett's about to make me a bot where I can clone myself. And if I got me a bot, y'all can talk to him all day. Shoot, y'all can hang out with Kenny all day. Oh, snap, retail, your work. Oh, that's why you said you were a 3.5. Your work is doing reorgs and director got canned. Needs some different energy. I'll tell you this. Let whatever happens, happen. All right, retail? Let whatever happens, happen. You know why? Because you got to break down your work life into the controllables and the uncontrollables. What is an uncontrollable in this situation? What management's doing, what reorgs are doing, cost-cutting initiatives. You can't control that, bro. What you can control, showing up early, getting your work done above expectations, going above and beyond, just being that type of dude. And then from there, they either like it or not, but whatever happens, happens. Just know that you gave an incredibly good effort, all right? And then it also does not hurt to also start prepping and building your resume just in case you want to pivot to something else that appreciates your value more, all right? But it's simply just a job, so remember that. and don't let it consume your whole life, bro. Don't let it consume your whole life, man. So you're the superstar because this is your life and you can do anything you want, legend. All right. So that's the energy that you need to have, bro. And that's energy that I want to give to you. And bro, let whatever happens happen, bro. You're more than just a job and you're more than just whatever your team's doing. So you got a lot of potential. You're in here with the Shred Lords. You might mess around, find a stock that goes 100x once Edwin wants to stop gatekeeping. And you might go to the moon, bro, or buy a cash loan asset. You never know what happens, bro. God can move mountains, dude. You never know what can happen. You never know what could happen. All right, I'm going way too slow on this. Anyway, I just like catching up with you guys. I just really like catching up with you guys. A-Dub is here. W Day. I link your channel and several LGBTQ plus communities. You should get more trans viewers. Hey, I appreciate that. Hey, W, I appreciate that. I don't care where y'all viewers come from. If I got viewers from Mars, a view is a view. And I'm just spreading positivity to all corners of the world. So I appreciate you, Kendall. Thank you so much. The bin cleaning business wasn't as profitable as he said, so I'm pivoting. Ooh! Dang, really? Hey, good thing we did the diligence though, right? Good thing we did the diligence. But now the thing is, you can take that as a starting point and literally just launch it to search in any other geography or sector, bro. Or like take that same approach and find a different one. That's not the only trash bin cleaning business in Texas. I'll tell you that. That's not the only trash bin cleaning business in Texas. And if you really want to go crazy with it, you can maybe start your own. Because now you studied the industry, bro. You studied the industry. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I would say everybody say W Edwin in the chat. Everybody spam W Edwin. Why? Because that was a full rep. You did a full rep, bro. Now do like 1,000 of those. Like if you do a full rep like that times every week, 52 reps a year, do 2 a week, 104 reps a year, every single day, 365 reps a year, bro, you are going to be goated at recognizing good and bad businesses. So don't view it as like time wasted. Don't view it as wasted efforts. It is literally the most incredible thing that you can do is simply get reps, bro. Simply get reps. It's so important. Guys, I've only closed like in my lifetime less than 10 deals. You know how many reps I've had? Almost 10,000 reps. Right? Like this stuff matters. Just it's pattern recognition, storing the information, applying it to the next one, improving afterwards. Bro, that's where the money's made. That's where the money made, twin. I need strong compute, good LMM. Okay, I don't, bro, Garrett, you out here speaking this witch language. What is all this crazy complex language, bro? Hey, I appreciate y'all saying what's up to Andy. I appreciate y'all saying what's up to Andy. Y'all some real Shred Lords. I appreciate y'all for that. He said, oh, Snoop, Patrick, what up, dude? What the heck? Welcome back, man. Patrick, where you been at, bro? What you been up to, man? I'm out here thinking you out here making smart money moves somewhere else. You out here making smart money moves with us. What's up, twin? Hey, Patrick, hope you are literally having an incredible, immaculate day. And I literally hope you had the coolest week ever. I don't know what you were up to, but I hope you really had the coolest week ever, man. I really do. I really do. And thank you, Garrett, for shouting out our community. Thank you for shouting out our community. You know what I'm saying? All right. And sorry I'm slow, guys, reading the chat. I just really like to take my time to hang out with the top dog Shred Lords. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. Hey, I've been waiting all day to connect with y'all, man. Let me take my... And you know I read very slow. I talk fast, but I read slow. The brain takes a little bit of time to process. All right? I'm not the smartest, apple in the bunch, but I'm a hustler, though. Ain't nobody gonna outwork me. You know what I'm saying? By the way, there are some talented people in this community, so we aren't the worst people to ask either. Oh, nice. Yeah, wait, what? Yeah, what was your question? Put it in the chat. People answer here. We have people that work in private equity, people that are recruiting for private equity. We have people that work at hedge funds. We have people that are traders. We have people that are $1 million crazy traders like James. We have people that are trading like a few bucks, right? Literally, this is the most like institutional chat that exists. So it's really cool. Oh, Kendall, how do I pitch the stock? It's in the pitch link. That Google form. And then slow is the way to roll. It follows that content and building the initial hype. Oh, snap. Oh, okay. Sure. All right, dude. Sure. Oh, W Eddie. Y'all gave him a nickname already? Wait, do you like Eddie or Edwin? I keep calling you Edwin. You like Eddie? Well, we got to stick with Edwin because I can't memorize everybody's names and new nicknames and all that. So what's happening in the markets, y'all? The ghetto. Dude, we have like, I want to call it, we got like 6 pitches to go through. Like, legit. The ghetto. All right, Edwin it is. Wait, Coinbase bounced back. Same with this dumb one here. Did I tell you guys about AMAT? I told y'all about that? They crushed it with earnings, y'all. That's a good one to keep your eye on, ADub. AMAT. I told you guys I rotated that, and that's my second highest position, right? Well, I think I gatekept the name, but I told you that they were doing earnings. But it was AMAT. AMAT was the business that I made my second largest position, and I got in a few weeks ago, and they just released earnings this morning, and they absolutely crushed it. So AMAT in the mix. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Anthropic got an 11% user boost from its OpenAI bashing Super Bowl ad. Oh, that's where they were like, no ads. They did like the no ads thing. Huh. That's funny. They got so many beef. They're so petty. They are so petty. Anything notable happening in the markets? Any notable like cool names that aren't pitch related that we should check out? Edwin, you got anything from your news scraper that we should take a look at? I wasn't as glued to the markets as I usually am this week. I was literally in legal meetings all week, bro. Like I was doing so much legal stuff. Like so much just like purchase agreements, exhibits, disclosures. That's like the boring part of the business buying world. Nvidia's stock is down and AMD is up. Why is that? So shares of Nvidia fell on Friday, while AMD rallied after Arista Networks said her company is shifting some workloads. Okay. A year ago, the 99% of deployments were Nvidia, and now about 20 to 25 use Nvidia. Nvidia has diminished need for Arista since it now develops its own networking technology to link AI chips. What is that? I don't understand this. Shares of Nvidia and AMD moved in opposite directions after CEO of Arista Networks. What do they do? Let's see what Arista Networks does. James, shut up. You got AMAT in 2026 or 2016 at 23? Are you serious? Dude, you ripped. What is Arista Networks? Computer networking company? Designs and sells multi-layer network switches to deliver software-defined networking for larger data center cloud computing, high-performance computing. Where do they fit within the value chain, though? ANET does switches. Hey, Black Mamba Trader. What up, Top Dog Shred Lords? Welcome. That ain't really? Wait, Andy. The more I thought about my question, I think I realized it was just more of a daunting fear in attempting to follow through with buying and scaling a business. That's deep. And that's a real concern, though. Because if you want to buy a business, you have to feel really comfortable. That doesn't matter. Even if you're young, you can still do it. I just wouldn't start crazy big, right? The key is if you want to do and start a business when you're, call it second year of college, sophomore year, this is what I would say, Andy. Find something that you can do locally on campus. Get familiar with just the challenges of running business operations, and that's procurement of supplies or raw materials, producing or delivering that good, marketing, managing talent, back office functions like CRMs, payroll, all that. Very easily, right? Here's a good example. College moving businesses, or used cardboard box brokerage business, or distribution business for movers. Something like that that's local on campus, right? Find something that allows for you to just like not strain yourself geographically, not distract you too much from school, because that's mission critical, right? This is graduating school. Unless you have a crazy $1 billion idea. All right, then hit me up so you can get some seed funding. But don't let the youthfulness or age distract you from the fact that like a business is simply a video game. Like you gotta understand and be in love with the video game. If you truly love business, you like operations, you have that dog in you to work really hard, you can figure it out eventually. You won't crush it on day one. You'll go through some growing pains. But if you're not risking the house on it, which I don't think you should be, it's okay. It's a wonderful learning experience. I wish when I was in college, there was a local small business sub $50,000 that I could just acquire and just like run part-time just to get that experience. That would have been so incredible, right? If there was literally like a vending machine business that I can install in all of the, local gyms on campus or dorms on campus. Or I wish there was like a moving business that I could acquire and work on weekends to help pay tuition. Or I wish there was like organizing and cleaning business that I can hire and sell to students to like organize and clean their dorms, things like that. That would have been so fun, and it's the best place to learn. And if you're at a university that allows for you to go and attend a business school, an undergraduate level, like Michigan had an undergraduate business school. So if you're in a school that has that, you can study business, apply what you're learning to your company, right? But I'm telling you now, Andy, the moral of the story is there are people that are less experienced with half the grit and hustle as you, and giving it a shot and doing incredibly well and becoming immensely successful, So I think that the quote is like, there's folks out there half as capable out there doing what you're dreaming about, and they're winning because they simply just gave it a shot and started, So don't be discouraged, bro. Don't be discouraged. And this is the community for it, right? So pick a business, bring it to the chat, and let's diligence it together. You can find some good stuff, all right? Black Mama Trader, you out here posting up with some ideas, twin. Hold on. Ooh. This is good goop. I heard about Palo Alto Networks. Advanced firewalls and cloud-based offerings that extend firewalls to cover other aspects. That might be good goop. FTNT? Fortinet. Oh, these are all cybersecurity names, right? It's like it's like all cyber names, right? You must be a cyber expert or a cyber enthusiast. But Cisco, what's Cisco do? They do a little bit of everything. Selling hardware. Let's see. Virtually unmoved. They do memory chips. Chip warning sends down. Oh, they're running out of memory. That ain't my game. What's your favorite out of these three, Black Mamba? Arista sells network switches that connect servers and data centers. I'm hearing a lot about... Wait. Didn't we just look at one yesterday that did data center interconnects? Does Arista compete with Lumentum? Yes, they can directly, and particularly with the data center infrastructure market. Both companies are key suppliers in a high-speed networking, increasing company. Okay. Primarily known for software-driven Ethernet switches in data center networking, and they're primarily known for the optical components, lasers, and high-speed transceivers. Okay. Okay. I still like Lumentum better. Wait, we got that here. Why I show you guys? Like this one, it's my favorite name. I'll show you guys my favorite name. ANET, that's not my favorite one, but this is my favorite one. Compare to Lumentum. Can y'all see the light? Can y'all see the light? End of the day. Ripping, but also 1 year horizon. This thing, bro, you just can't compete. You just can't compete. That's the power of the low, medium cap and small cap names. You know what I'm saying? That's the power of the medium and the small cap names. What James says, what about the passive companies? Dude, of course. It depends on how much money you're working with. Usually the passive companies are good to acquire, but they cost money. And they're semi-passive if you can have a general manager running the day-to-day operations. And you just kind of like give strategic direction, boss them around, and like hire folks. It's just gonna cut out of the quarters, you know? But right now, like we're in a season where actually the owner-operated businesses are low-key lit. So actually the owner-operated ones are the ones that are like lit right now. So, because they're cheaper multiples, and I think it's pretty solid. Oh, a laundry business for students? That's actually genius. What's GPC? GPC style. Genuine parts. This one? Edwin, this one? American Automotive and Industrial Parts Distributor. Hold on. This sounds like a cockroach one. I mean, it beats the market. It beats the market. You know what I'm saying? I wonder what they sell. Automotive Parts Group, Industrial Parts Group. The key driver here is just like overall equipment and like commodity prices, you know? And it's about if they're selling products that are like slightly more prone to disruption. That's where it gets a little tricky, you know? Like if some of their products are prone to disruption, that's when it gets a little tricky. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Andy, of course, bro. Of course, man. We're always here. We're always here, and it's a good team here. Good group of people. And thank you so much for this topic. I appreciate you providing that support, man. Hey, if anybody needs to know anything, we need to learn from Rich Topic. All right, Rich Topic's all of our mentors. Juan, what's up, dude? How the heck you doing, Shred Lord? Happy Friday, sir. Hope you're literally having the greatest week of your life, man. Welcome to Finance Fridays with Chat Capital, bro. Hope you're doing incredibly well, man. We're about to talk about some great stock pitches. You know? It's about to be so freaking cool, y'all. It's about to be so cool. I'm geeked. Bro, Garrett's out here making scrapers and stuff. That's crazy work. Okay, we see about 20%, maybe more, where AMD is the preferred accelerator of choice. Okay, so NVIDIA is just losing a little bit of market share. Okay. Google's still standing strong. Google's just going through a little bit of a bender right now. I don't know what's wrong with them. Google's got to lock in. Google's just got to lock in. Okay. So you guys like Arista Networks or what? Yeah, cyber names. It's according to ANET. It's AI circle plays. I like that. Hey, look, Black Mama Trader. I love choke points, broski. I love choke points. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, if I can give you some choke points in the mix, you let me know what I'm buying, all right? I'm chasing memory responsibly. I'm chasing optics. I'm chasing data center service players. Look, I'm in the mix. One of my other plays, I'll show you another play. All right. This one here, I like this one a lot too. Maztec, what y'all know about this, twin? What y'all know about this? If you're gonna build data centers, you need humans to build it, right? To provide the construction, the maintenance, and all that. These guys do that right there. They do that right there. They doing a dang thing. You know what I'm saying, twin? They doing a dang thing. All right. Okay. Ooh, PANW and ANET. Okay, so you really like ANET. Is ANET like really all that? In Palo Alto Networks? You must have like a fundamental long thesis on this. You probably have a long hold period, right? Or are you trading this volatility though? If you're trading this volatility, you're crushing it. But if you have like a long point of view, it's gotta be wicked value in here, right? I'm sure they have strong free cash flow numbers. 13% profit margins. They're doing pretty cool. But these things, bro, it's just, they're huge for me. They're huge and like they're slow to disrupt. Frank, what's up, sir? How you doing? Shred Lord. Welcome to Finance Fridays with Chat Capital, man. Love the content king. Hey, look, I love that you love the content. And I love, more importantly, that you took the time to watch the content. All right? You know, I appreciate you. James, I remember when Cisco and IBM ruled the world. I watched those documentaries. Oh, yeah, okay. Thanks, Black Mama, because that's what I was thinking. I was like, we definitely looked at something that did pretty similar to the interconnects. But Edwin actually brought up the FSLY. But turns out they're kind of doing like the bot management thing and kind of like allowing for a lot of these like software companies to just have like quicker, more closer terminals for a lot of their like internet traffic. If key mistakes were not made in the late 90s, they would be bigger than Meta and Microsoft. How would you define those key mistakes though? Warren Buffett said, look around and buy the stocks of the companies you see daily. That's facts. But my question is, how long are you holding these things? Buffett also said hold stuff for like 100 years, bro. Ooh, wait. Hold on. ESLT. Hey, y'all really be coming out, bro. Again, hold on. I swear to God, Black Mama, if this is a banger stock, I'm about to ban you, bro. Pause the music. Carolina, mi corazón. Un momento. We talked about this yesterday with Edwin. And now we got to talk about this with Black Mamba. Why do you guys keep giving me generational wealth building ideas a year too late? What am I supposed to do with this? Bro, this is a banger idea. This is a great company. Israel-based military technology. I'm not getting political, but there's a lot of stuff going on, right? But this is a banger business. I'm trying to feed my family, bro. I'm trying to feed my family, Black Mama. You giving me stuff too late. You got banger ideas. Stop gatekeeping. We're family here. Jesus. Why do y'all keep doing that? Y'all keep gatekeeping, bro. What am I supposed to do with this? This is a good company. Bro! Black Mama, you're a jerk for this. You're a jerk for this, bro. You're a jerk for this, bro. Oh, United Health? Yeah, we actually, Patrick, you probably missed that one, but we did a whole stream on United Healthcare and their earnings. Yeah. I actually have a VOD recorded for that. And we're gonna upload that either next week or something, but it'll be on the second channel. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the second channel, Kenny Finance Live, subscribe to that channel. This is where we put the best clips from the live streams that you missed, like the dedicated edited sections. And I record like some more commentary at the beginnings. But I have one in the queue for UHS. So that'll come out probably next week. But subscribe to Kenny Finance Live. All right. Buy UNH myself if you look better. It's a monster. Yeah. It's a great buying opportunity, though. It's a really good buying opportunity. It's not going away. It's just like, there's just like political stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? But like healthcare always normalizes back to the norm. You know what I mean? Yeah, they did that European huge freaking bond trade. Say, hey, what's up, little bro? Hey, rich topic, little bro. What up, little Shred Lord? How you doing, man? Little bro. Hey, I hope you're listening to your big brother. Because your big brother literally is one of the coolest guys in the whole world. He impacts people with his positivity, his support, and his hustle and his focus. So take notes every day of what your big bro does to take care of you and the fam. All right? All right? And of course, if you want to get rich, the first thing you need to do is spend less than you earn. The second thing, take those savings, buy yourself an index fund. And that's a basket of stocks. Thirdly, do that every single time a dollar comes into your life. And then fourthly, never stop, never sell. And little bro, if you do that, you'll be richer than your big bro. All right? Hey, W little bro in the chat. All right? Thanks, little man, for checking in with the stream. I'm glad you're watching this instead of Roblox. All right? You're not gonna make no money off Roblox. You're gonna make some money with this. All right? Shout out, little bro. Shout out, little bro. Hey, everybody say little bro in the chat. That's our guy. You know? What they got going on? How'd you find this, Black Mom? This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna skip around some of the chat. You showed MTZ? Hey, I don't be gatekeeping. I just show all my stuff. What's the name of the song on the artist that goes, I want $1 billion? Kayvon Music. One of my best friends. This song? That's my guy. WJit. Y'all funny. Okay, now Black Mama wants to start giving us some banger ideas. Zeta Global Hold and it's a small cap too. Ooh, this might be good goop. This might be good goop. AI powered marketing cloud. Ooh. Huh. This might be good goop. It could be a deep value play. Hold on. All right. That's good goop right there. That's good goop. We're gonna add that to our stash. All right, yeah, I like that. Good goop right there. All right, QXO. All right. Ooh. $20 billion market cap. What do they do? Largest distributor of commercial residential roofing products. Ooh, rich topic. This is related to your thesis you're working on. Ooh. Holy guacamole! OMG retail with the dono. Thank you so much, Top Dog Shred Lord. We need $1 billion. Let's be real about it. I gotta manually update it. 1 sec. 1 sec. We've been getting bread. I need $1 billion. Thank you, retail. I appreciate the support, Top Dog. We're at almost 1,300. Yeah, we're getting better at timing this stuff. Oh wait, let's try something together. Y'all like the music? It's one of my best friends. He makes this. He's really good, guys. Kayvon Music. Kayvon Music on Spotify. This guy. I'm about to shake the arena. And they can't be mad at me. They be trying to flatter me. Baddest beast. You should really check. He literally looks exactly the same. He hasn't aged at all. The boy's 30. They can't take it out of me. Mommy would be proud of me. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really. Yeah, of course. And I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't really care about having a real hobby. It's not a real problem. And I still got it. I need $1 billion. Yeah. All right, Chad. I think it might be time to pitch some stocks, huh? It might be time to pitch some stocks, and we got a lot, so it's gonna take us a minute. All right. I think it might be time to pitch some stocks. Wait, but first, I kind of wanna I want to update something. Hold on. Let me see. Milli sound effect. Your money. I wonder how long that is. I want to see if I can update the thing to okay. Download MP3. Your money. Is there a way you can trim a sound effect? Does anybody know how to do that? I'm gonna try to add this to the Streamlabs thing, because it'd be cool. Okay, wait. Why am I not acting like how to trim MP3? Okay. Cut audio on any format. Choose the audio. Downloads. A milli. Okay. We need. What's the copyright thing again? It's like it can't be more than 5 seconds. What do y'all say? What does they say? What do they say? It's hold on. How do I do this? How do I do this? That's good. That's good goop. Okay, that's good goop. Okay, let's count the seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good, but it's like really loud. Okay, so we're gonna download that. Okay, export. Ooh, wait. Ooh, oops. Ooh, sorry, I messed that up. Ooh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna download that, but let's go back to here. Ooh, dang it. Okay, I screwed up because we can add like a fade because that thing was very loud, and I think we should probably do it like this. Yeah, we're gonna learn this together. Let's go, chat. Let's freaking go, chat. Good goop, good goop. Good goop right there. And then let's do a fade out. Play. That's so loud. Sorry how loud that is, guys. Okay. Export. Okay. And then I wonder if we can add that to Streamlabs. And then Streamlabs, Cloudbot, tipping. What does that even mean? Open dashboard. Oh, I gotta sign in. What the heck? Hold on. Why are we doing that? You guys enjoy yourself some K-Vine music. This is the life of a streamer. Y'all don't know about all these overlays and stuff.
Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care
I gotta
about how
log
you
into
feel about
Streamlabs.
it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. That's not a real problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about
Now I
how
need you guys to
feel
try
about it.
something.
I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not
Alert
a real
box.
problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Yeah, I've been in the lab, so I'm not one you see around thinking about my goals. So I'm not fun to be around. Now I want the whole field. Ain't no bush to beat around. I take it to the sky, so I don't ever see the ground. Wild call by, you can say I'm in the hunt now. Living out my fantasy. They love it when I touch down. Flyer than a plane. A
Streamlabs is so
I'm up
confusing.
now. Money, true holiday. I'm playing for the Bucks now. I'm out in BK.
Hey, snap.
Dash. I don't see much.
Praying
man. I
your
only
stock
see
becomes a $1 trillion
cash. You
company.
can't
Hey.
be mad. You need to relax.
Yo,
And my
yo,
favorite
freaking
drug is
Strat Lord, I
awesome.
love you
I'm
for
about
that.
to
Thank you so
relapse.
much.
I'm getting all this
Stop,
money
guys. You're
just
gonna make
by
me all
making
freaking all
these
goofy and
tabs. Hope you
tearful.
take care of my
Okay,
hood
wait.
when I pay
Wait.
each tax. I'm managing my waist,
That's so
they say
freaking nice of
need
you guys.
cash, but they look me up on Google, they be keeping these tabs. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby.
It's not a real problem, and I still got it. I need
$1
a
billion.
Okay, alerts.
I mean, I don't really care
Tips.
about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem, and I
And then
still
song.
got it. I need $1 billion. Yeah, my bars are infinite. My car's got tents in it. I should get a Tesla and put your chick in it. I should call your mom like I love your chicken dish.
Upload.
So she calls you
Ooh,
up and says
okay,
that
we found
K-Von
it, we
kid's
found it.
legit. You should look up
Wait,
to
what?
him. He can make it hit. I said, what's up to him? You can't take
Then
that shit.
downloads.
I can't fake that shit. I'm the one to get. I don't give a damn
Yes.
about who I'm up against. Almost
Yes,
ready to
download.
and tear the
Ooh.
scene up. Working
Okay.
for a quarter century to earn my freedom. Got 100 more years to go. Won't kick my feet up on
Okay,
my
I'm gonna try
Kanye
something.
tip. I'm about to shake the arena, and they can't be mad at me. They be
Hopefully
trying to
that
flatter
works.
me. Baddest beast. You should really check out their anatomy. I'm not lit on Twitter,
Select.
but they gon' still be atting me. They can't take it out of me. Mommy would be proud of me. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't
Okay,
really
okay,
care about how you
guys.
feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have
Text-to-speech.
a real hobby. That's not a real problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real
Okay, I
about
did it. I did it.
I mean, I don't really care about how you feel
Okay.
about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem, and I still got
Okay,
it.
I think I fixed
need
it.
$1 billion.
I think I fixed it. Okay. All right. I'm not like asking for money. I'm just trying to test something out. If you guys go on the Streamlabs link and you hit a dono on the Streamlabs link, I'm curious what it sounds like. All right. You can donate like 5 cents or $1. All right. It goes into Chat Capital. It all supports Chat Capital. It all supports Chat. But I updated something to make it like an even cooler vibe. If you guys donate to the Streamlabs link there, not the super chats. All right, YouTube takes a crazy wild cut, so don't support Chat Capital through the super caps. And like I said, literally every single dollar that we raise, even every single cent, I don't take it and I don't go buy Chipotle. I leave it in there to go into Chat Capital, and we buy. Here's our portfolio, and we're voting on it. And you guys about to see how we're about to buy stuff right now. What did you donate? $10. Inspired thyself motivation. I freaking appreciate you to the moon and back. Let's have $1 trillion company. We are literally about to close next week on our deal, and that blessing and prayer is so freaking needed, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I feel so encouraged. All right, guys, someone donate like $1. I want to try this thing out. I just had to figure this out. Well, let me call Boogie. Where's Boogie? We need Boogie to put some dollars in here. Where's Boogie at? Okay. Someone give $1. All right, someone give $1. I just want to try this out. All right, let me know if the sound works. Or how can I donate myself? Hold on. Can I like donate to myself? Hold on. I want to donate to myself. Don't do it yet. I gotta get my phone. I'm gonna give money to myself. All right, here we go. I want to see if this thing actually freaking works. That'll be so freaking cool. Okay, how do I donate to myself? View channel. Can you find it? Oh, I'm live right now. I'm watching me live. I'm watching an ad of me. How am I watching an ad on me? That's crazy work. Okay, and then go to, I think, I saw Phantom do this on his streams, and I wonder if we can do it. Dono. Oh, Dono is a business expense, low key. It is a business expense. Yeah, if you guys click the Streamlabs link, it takes you something like this. The Streamlabs link like here. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna donate $100 to myself. Yeah, I'm about to donate 100. Wait, why am I doing that? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do $10 to myself. Username Kenny Finance Bot 9,000. I just want 9,000. Bro, you're so dope. Okay, here we go. Don't customize donation. Tip. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay, wait. How do I do it? I don't even know how to freaking tip myself. Oh, wait. Is it not allowed to be 2 words? Oh, it has to be 1 word. Kenny Finance Bot 9,000. Okay. I'm donating to myself, guys. Oh, the circular motion. The circular motion. All right. Circular motion. Hey, look, an object in motion stays in motion. I don't know what y'all talking about, twin. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I gotta sign in and log in. Hold on, guys. Hold on. While we're doing this, you guys can look at the first stock pitch. All right? We can y'all look at the first stock pitch. How do I freaking boom boom? Dun dun. Let's do PayPal. Dang, they kind of make you guys go through some hurdles just to donate, huh? You can refund it. Kendall, give me $1. All right. Oh, geez. Okay, boom. How about that? Jesus Christ. This is not as easy as I thought it was. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. This donation. No wonder people don't be donating to this thing. Anyways, you guys like Kayvon so much. Listen to his light skin music. It's all chat donations are invested into our pool of capital, and then what we're about to do together is together we're gonna pitch some stocks, and the pitches are gonna get either like passed or declined. And here's like some of the stocks we're pitching. Here's actually the ones we're doing today, starting with Intel. And the reason why I call it Chat Capital is because I don't decide what we invest in. Every single stock that we pitch, we actually do a poll. And we do a poll on the YouTube. And once we do a poll on the YouTube, it's what did I say? Once you do a poll on YouTube, if it's buy, we buy it. Y'all like Kayvon so much. Here's his light skin music. It's actually really good though. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to donate to my freaking self. This is so much work. This is so much freaking work. Oh my gosh. I bought a gold chain and chase the pain away. Oh shoot, Cool Webby's the top tipper. Thank you so much, Cool Webby. I appreciate you. Take the pain away, you know. This takes so long. Streamlabs has to have a better, more efficient process. What's my username? I gotta do Venmo? Ain't going to earn me. Thank you so much, Kobe. I appreciate you, dude. I appreciate you. Kobe, how long did it take you to do all this setup? Why is it taking me so long? Am I just slow? I suck at tech, guys. I literally suck at tech. I'm sorry I didn't get it. I'm sorry I wasn't who you probably thought that you meant. How about this? Let's try this. Some good goop. Good goop. Okay. I am Kenny Finance. And your arms around my neck. To me that was everything. I guess I'll with my gold chain to chase the pain away, and my heart aches the strength that feels the same as the propane it takes to make a flame, but went away and it's okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, so it doesn't. Okay, so the account that receives this stuff that we invest out of, I'm not allowed to donate from. Short PayPal stock now. It's ridiculous. Chain that takes the pain away. What about this song? Ooh, it's got Saint Bart. There's so many good ideas. Oh, James actually read the pitch. Thank you. Okay. All right, I'm not doing that. We're gonna do that later. If anybody donates, use the Streamlabs link. I know it takes a minute, but it's worth it. But when you do it, I'm very curious to hear how the freaking sound pops up. It'll be so dope. Okay. Chat Capital, it's pitch time. It's pitch time. All right, it's time to rock and roll. I just gave up on the whole thing. It worked! Guys, that's so lit, right? Wait, that was so freaking cool. Retail, thank you so much. Wait, that was freaking cool, right, guys? Was it too short? Was it too short or was it cool? That was freaking dope, wasn't it? A million. It was like the perfect sound too. It wasn't too loud in my thing. I was concerned if it was gonna blow your freaking eardrums out, but I don't think it did. So, oh my goodness, thank you so much. And that goes into Chat Capital. Thank you so much. Boom. Increase our goop. That's good goop. Good. Plus $1. And that's really good. Dude, we're actually crushing it on our AUM. We're actually crushing on our AUM, guys. This is actually elite. Our AUM just went up by $1 whole. That's freaking dope. All right, pitch time. Pitch time. Okay, let me lock in and be professional. It's Friday, so I'm feeling a little loose. Thank you so much, Andy. Yeah, my goal is to literally have like educational hedge fund on stream. All right, my lawyer said I can't actually say this is a hedge fund, but this is a educational focused hedge fund aspiring to be type of platform to where all of the investment decisions are made by chat. But I showcased to you all literally step by step how I think through making very institutional style investment diligence and how you don't just pick a name based off a chart, but you pick a name and we go deep into the analysis, the customers, the value proposition, all that stuff. All right, that's how we rock and roll. And thank you so much, Retail, for doing it. I freaking appreciate you, dude. I freaking appreciate you. You might be coming up on Cool Webby as our top dono dudes, so you better be careful. Better be careful, y'all. I think Boogie's about to be dethroned as our top LP, low key. I think Boogie's about to be dethroned, y'all. All right, so it is that time of the hour, ladies and gents. It is time for Chat Capital to pitch some names to go into our handy dandy portfolio. We are sitting on a lot of cash. We have $1,278 ready to deploy, graciously provided by our LPs, aka chat. So I appreciate y'all. But we are about to pitch some incredible names that are value-oriented, that are cockroach-like, meaning that they are hard to kill and a good investment over the 20 to 30-year horizon. And it is time for us to lock in. Now, here are the rules. You cannot pitch a stock if you do not submit the form, okay? The form's in our Discord. We already talked about this, but we have to ensure that all of the pitches go into the form because it goes into our centralized submission form here, guys, where it's all located. That's why we use the forms. I'm not trying to be an a-hole teacher. I'm just trying to keep it all centralized, all right? It's really good, okay? So all pitches must go into the form. But here's the more important and exciting rules for this segment. We review the thesis. You all commentate in chat. You go crazy over it. But we will have one vote per company. And the vote will be buy or pass. And in order for us to put the name into our portfolio, it has to be above a 50% buy in order for us to own the stock. Okay? That's how we're working. Majority rules. This is Chat Capital. We are only doing institutional plays. All right? And without further ado, let's make us some smart money moves. Speed round edition and go to our first name, which is Intel Corp. All right? Intel Corp. And I kind of cleaned up our structure a little bit to ensure that it's easier to read and understand while we're looking at the business. Okay? So, let me show you guys a little bit about Intel. Okay? So, Intel, we might know what they do, but if you don't, they are a US-based semiconductor chip manufacturing business. All right? Price target for whoever pitched this is $80, and as you can see, it's currently trading at $47. And the investment thesis is, number one, someone thinks that have legacy market positioning. All right? They've been a long-term leader in chip manufacturing. They've been a little bit slow to innovate, but they have their investment from the US. They have a partnership with NVIDIA, and they kind of have a little bit of fire under their butts to become a best-in-class US-based chip manufacturer and foundry so that we can stop relying on Asia and other emerging market and international chip manufacturing regions. So, as you can see, people still like the narrative of the name, nonetheless. It's up 93% in 1 year, and it sounds like a solid name. Now, here is the next point. The growth and dividend appeal. I like how you guys are like actually using institutional names in your pitches. It's really nice. So dual return profile combining capital appreciation potential with income generation for downside protection. I don't know what the dividend yield is, but all Chat Capital dividends will be reinvested to own more shares. And then a turnaround catalyst, despite decade-long market share erosion, current valuation presents asymmetric risk return at an inflection point. All right, INTC. I'm going to put it into the YouTube poll. If anybody's on Twitch, you have to go on YouTube to vote on this because I don't know how to multitask. All right, INTC, Intel. What are we doing? Is it a buy or a pass? All right, and while you guys are doing that, I'm going to play me a little bit of Kayvon music while y'all out here thinking about the actual buy or pass. So go ahead, load it up, load it up. It has to be above 50% in order for us to buy it, chat. Let's roll. Let's roll. The clock's ticking. Here's the thesis. You can vote no, and you can vote pass. We don't have to buy anything today. We already have exposure to stuff. We don't have to buy anything, but we also can buy everything. What we doing? What we doing? Everything that's pitched, I'm buying it on Monday at market open. I'm buying it on Monday at market open. So it's at this current price. If you don't want it to be pitched at this price, make it very clear in your submission. All right? Intel, what are we doing? Chat Capital, what are we doing? I only see cash. I only see cash. What we doing, Chat Capital? Get off those dating apps and get on the YouTube chat and vote in the polls. All right?
me up on Google. They
Vote
be
at your
keeping
presidential
things
elections
fast.
and vote in our
Feel about
YouTube
it.
chats.
I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it.
Use your right to vote.
Have a real hobby. That's not a real
You
problem.
have the
And I
right to
still
vote.
got it. I need $1 billion.
Oh, what goes
Let's be
into
real
Chat
about it.
Capital?
I mean, I don't really care about how you
And by
feel
the
about
time
it.
the song is
I don't
over,
even really have a real hobby. It's not a
or maybe
real
like 30 more
problem.
seconds
And
of
I
it.
still
Oh, we got like a minute left. You got one more minute left.
Balls are infinite. My cars got tents in
One
it.
more minute
I
left
should
on
get a
this name.
Tesla and
Vote
put
in
your
the
chick
poll.
in
If you
it.
haven't
I
done
should
it,
call
vote
your
in the
mom
poll.
like I love your chicken dish, so she calls you
I'm also not allowed to vote.
You should look up to him.
That's why I call it Chat Capital. You guys are literally making the decisions. I'm not even allowed to vote. And I didn't pitch any of these names. These are all you guys. That's how cool this community is.
Working for a quarter century to earn my freedom. Got 100 more years to go. Won't kick my feet up on my Kanye tip. I'm about to shake the arena, and they can't be mad at me. They be trying to flatter me. Baddest beast, you should really check out their anatomy. I'm not lit on Twitter, but they gon' still be atting me. They can't take it out of me. Mommy would be proud of me. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. That's not a real problem, and I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean,
All right, all right, all right.
feel about it. I mean, I don't even really
It's the
have a
final
real
10
hobby.
seconds.
It's not a real problem, and I still got it.
10,
I need $1 billion.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what the results were. Whoa. It's 50-50. Oh my goodness. It's a 50-50 outcome. Oh, Snapchat. All right, we're going to add outcome. 50-50. Dang, 50-50. Oh, snap. Oh, Snapchat. That means we can't buy. Look, it has to be majority rules, and it wasn't majority rules. So this one is a wait, why am I putting them here? We put it here, actually. Here we go. INTC. Intel. Price at pitch. 46.79. And then we add here. This is kind of like our we add this here for just so that we can make sure we get FOMO. All right. So that we know what the thing was. What was the price target? Your price target for that was $80. Dang, that's a crazy price target. All right. 80. And it was NA, 50%. So we can't buy it. When it's 50%, we can't buy it. That's why majority has to rule. So we're going to see if we regret this or not. All right. Moving on to the next one. We got some more money moves. All right. The next one is actually an ETF play. This one is an ETF play. And the business or sector is Global X Defense Tech ETF. Their business model is having exposure into defense tech equities. Currently trading around $72, but the price target assumes that it can reach $100 to $125 price target. Now, here's the thesis. The thesis is the multi-decade structural tailwind. Whoever wrote this said that NATO's 5% defense spending mandate is expected to have a $600 billion increase, and that provides strong 2027 and 2030 revenue visibility with order backlog supporting sustained growth. And then best-in-class exposure. The names that are in here has European defense leader Rheinmetall, as well as Saab. We talked about Saab before. And then it also has the U.S. companies that are tech-oriented, like Palantir. So you get a combination of the traditional brick-and-mortar defense companies. You also have exposure to the AI/ML megatrend as well, with autonomous systems and next-gen capabilities. That's pretty solid. And then the technical and flow momentum. Strong uptrend with $5 billion of inflows into $7.3 billion. That's just like an ETF thing. And a quantitative score of 7.2 out of 10 signal. Wow, whoever did this must be a quant. Whoever did this must be a quant. Hey, Law Elliott, how you doing, legend? Hope you're doing well. Make sure you're voting in the polls. Make sure y'all voting in the polls. All right, chat. Global X Defense Tech. All right. I'm going to add this one to the poll, and you know what to do. Okay? Global X Defense Tech ETF. Is it a buy or is it a pass? All right? We ain't got no time to waste. Lock the heck in, Shred Lords, because we out here making smart money moves. This vote right here, we're going to play a little bit of a nice Cafecito vibe. So y'all got 2.5 minutes to rock. Hey.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti.
This song is just working on my Spanish. This song is improving my Spanish.
Lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti.
Lo que siento es de frente.
Imposible no elegirte ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte.
Hey, Wawa, thank you for the follow on Twitch. I appreciate you, legend. Welcome to the Shred Lord family. Edgar, my man, I hope you're doing well.
Te elijo a ti, siempre voy a insistir. Te elijo a ti, ya no quiero sufrir. Te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento.
Oh, A-Dub pitched this. A-Dub's a dog. A-Dub's such a dog. Make sure y'all staying hydrated, drinking some water. Vote in the poll, vote in the poll. If you haven't voted in the poll, lock the heck in, Shred Lords. Alright? I like that left shoulder. Hey, Jake, what's up, legend? How you doing, Shred Lord? Welcome, mate. 30 seconds, guys. What we doing here? What we doing here? Lock in, Shred Lords, and vote on the YouTube poll. If anybody's on Twitch, if you want to vote on the poll, you have to vote on YouTube, unfortunately. I don't have the Twitch poll set up yet. One day I'm going to get mods to do it on Twitch, too. All right, guys, last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What is the outcome? Woo! Congratulations to the Global X Defense Tech ETF. It is a 58% buy. Holy guacamole. All right. That right there, ladies and gents, is added to the portfolio. Oops, 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 oops. Okay. SHLD. We talked about this before, didn't we? Didn't we talk about this before? Shield. 7221. Bum, 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 bum. What was your price target? What was the price target? Price target was okay, we'll see 112.5. And then it's a buy. It's a buy. Well done to whoever pitched. All right. Whoever pitched that. I think it was what was the result? 58%. Okay. Well done. I think it was A-Dub. If anybody wants to tell me what you all pitched, who did Intel? Whoever pitched Intel, let me know. Whoever pitched Intel, let me know. Hope Jackson comes back. Jackson be pitching some dog names. Jackson pitches some dog names. What's up, Jackson? Okay. So we are buying that one literally on market open on Monday. All right, we're buying that one on market open on Monday, but we're keeping this absolutely moving, Shred Lords. Next, we are looking at Boeing. Okay, all right. I see what you guys are up to. You finding some blue chip names. All right, Boeing it is. Oh, Cool Webby, you did Intel. Dude, that was a good pitch. Cool Webby, dude, keep that up. That was a good pitch. That was a good pitch. Cool Webby. Well freaking done. Yeah, so Tuesday. Okay, so the next pitch is Boeing. We don't need to talk too much about the business model, all right? If you're on a plane, you're likely driving or flying a Boeing plane, all right? We are looking at the aerospace and defense manufacturer Boeing that is trading at $243 per share, and whoever pitched this has a price target of $350. Let's talk about the investment thesis. The investment thesis is number one, duopoly market structure. Limited competition in commercial aviation creates structural pricing power and barriers to entry in a $1 trillion market. Okay? Next, space exploration exposure. I didn't know this. Diversified revenue streams beyond commercial aircraft include NASA. Diversified revenue streams beyond commercial aircraft include NASA contracts and emerging space economy participation. Okay. Recovery catalysts. Safety issues and contract losses create depressed entry point. Operational improvements and production ramp drive multi-year earnings inflection. Okay. So, y'all out here trying to fly high with the champ, huh? Y'all trying to ride with the pilot, huh? Y'all trying to rock and roll with it. You know what we gonna do? I'm gonna play a little bit of Caliente while y'all out here figure this stuff out, all right? Yeah, y'all figure this stuff out. Boeing. Boeing, ticker BA. Are we buying this or are we passing on this chat? It ain't up to me. It's up to y'all. So I'm going to let y'all lock in while I got me a little caliente cafecito vibes out here. Chat capital pitches. Let's go. Let's freaking rock, huh? Let's freaking rock, Shred Lords. Get down, huh? What are we doing? What are we doing? I wish I could vote. I would have a surprising vote on this one. It'd be.
Solo tú bailas conmigo, pero no como amigos. Así todos quieren contigo.
¿Qué tal? Caliente. What we doing, chat? This is a good investment thesis, though. Whoever wrote this is a good investment thesis. Caliente, caliente. Spirit Void, hello. Oh my goodness, happy Friday. Hope you're having an incredible day and had a great week. Thank you for tuning in. And Jake, that's some great intel, bro. Dude, you crushed it. Make sure you pitch some dang stocks, man. Get in the Discord. Make sure y'all pitch some stocks. You guys are beasts. But seriously, though, Spirit Void, thank you for tuning in. I saw your name multiple times this week on the streams, and I appreciate your time and support. So, God bless you, Legend. I hope you're having an incredible evening, and I hope you have a fantastic night. So, good night, Spirit Void. Thanks, Legend. Cool Webby with the W pitches. Lawlia with the W investment ideas. Y'all crushing it. Y'all going crazy. Caliente, caliente. Let's rock, chat capital. What we doing? One more minute left on the song. One more minute left on the song. What we doing? What we doing? Oh, y'all about to know Spanish by the end of this year. Oh, y'all about to know Spanish at the end of this year. And this is great commentary, guys. Keep the names and the debates going in the chat. It's perfect. It's perfect. Hey, make sure y'all smash that damn like button. I can't vote, so that's the least y'all can do is hit the dang like button. Caliente. Caliente. We got free goop out here, y'all. Free goop. Caliente. 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 All right. 3, 2, 1. Poll is ending, and this right here was the result. Oh, Boeing, no. Boeing. Sorry, shawty. I don't make the rules. Look, I'm just paid to organize the content. I don't make the rules. I'm here to organize the content. You know what I'm saying, Boeing? 242.96. 242.96. 0.96. Come on, Boeing. What are you doing? What was your price target? 350. Dale ahora. And this was a pass with a 55% pass rate. Who pitched this? Anybody want to pitch this? Who pitched this? Claim your stuff. Own it. What I will say though, we're excluding 1 or 2 pitches, I think, from someone, because the pitches were, the conviction levels were low. Either it was an early idea or medium conviction. The only pitches that are included in like the official Chat Capital pitches, just FYI guys, have to be level 3, high conviction. All right. If it's conviction level 1 or conviction level 2 on the form, that means that we're going to study it together and we're going to build conviction together. And then once you're ready, you just let me know, hey, let's actually pitch this. All right. So it was like Caterpillar and it was something else. All right. But Boeing is a great company. Boeing is one of those Caterpillar names that's going to have a little bit of noise every other year and with different political administrations and all that stuff. But people are still going to have to fly airplanes. All right. There's this. I love this first point here of duopoly. It literally is a duopoly. They're freaking crushing it. But 55% pass. All right. We're keeping it moving. This right here, I still think it was a W quality pitch. It was a very quality pitch. All right. Whoever pitched this, I love where your head's at. It might be time to repitch it, maybe at a better entry point, or maybe when some of these catalysts start to crystallize. But still, incredible momentum, incredible pitch. Let's keep this stuff going. That was a W pitch, but the committee decided. The committee decided we're moving on. Next, we got, I don't even know what the heck this is. BWX Technologies. I love, y'all keep giving these such good goop. This is good goop right here. This is such good goop. You know what I'm saying? I would have never even thought of this. But chat brings it to market. Let's rock. All right, business model. Naval nuclear reactor manufacturing. That sounds like something in a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 mission. Breach the naval nuclear reacting manufacturing facility. All right. The price target, I guess it's like analyst price target. Some of them think it's going to fall, but some of them think it's going to hit 278, 39% upside. And then the investment thesis, we got a regulatory monopoly, sole source supplier of naval nuclear reactors with federally protected moat. Keep going. Decades-long barriers preventing competition in highly enriched uranium handling. Visibility and backlog strength. Record $6 billion ordered book, which is 81% defense, provides revenue certainty through 2030. No bid contracts eliminate pricing pressure. Woo-wee. Okay. And then the nuclear renaissance optionality. Core naval franchise expanding into commercial SMRs and medical isotopes for cancer treatment. Structural growth across defense and civilian markets. Hey, I'm not even gonna say nothing. Whoever found this and pitched this, you've been watching the streams. You know how to dive below the thesis. So BWX Technologies. All right, ticker BWXT. What the heck are we doing, chat? You see it here on the stream. You see it here on the screen. You vote in the YouTube poll. You take your fingers. You press the button. Like first. And then you press buy if you like it. Pass if you think it's a bad business and we shouldn't invest. Or it's not the right time. Buy if you like it. Pass if we shouldn't invest in it. All right? Let's freaking rock and roll, YouTube, because I'm about to put y'all hip to a whole nother vibe. Let's freaking rock and roll. We're taking it to the island vibes. Chat. What can I say? We're taking it to the island vibes. Let's cook, huh? What man them doing with the chat, huh? What man them doing with the investment chat capital, huh? What's happening with the Bomba Clyde chat, huh? Let's cook it up. What's man them doing with the Bomba Clyde chats? Nah, not those crazy guys. This is a... How do people find these names? I'm impressed. I keep being impressed by you guys. You guys keep it up. BWX Technologies. No, I'm just a Teddy Brookshot top shotter, huh? What are we doing? Also, retail, you had a really good question. What's the chat capital exit strategy? Once the stock hits the price target, we're actually going to do quarterly or monthly, I gotta figure out which out, portfolio reviews, where we review the thesis, we review the portfolio, we review the quarterly performance. We're gonna be sitting on earnings calls. So all the names you have exposure to, we're joining the earnings calls. And if we don't like operating momentum, we're gonna bolt up sell. If there's just bad noise, we can sell it, but we're gonna have either monthly or quarterly portfolio reviews. And once it does hit the price target, I'll have an alert on our system and we'll bring it up to committee. All right? But these shouldn't be names that you're trying to get in and out in a 5-hour horizon. We should be comfortable holding these things for a while, chat. We should be comfortable holding these things for a while. What the heck are y'all doing? Vote in the YouTube chat. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Vote in the chat. Vote in the chat. Or poll. Click the poll button. You got 30 more seconds. Big buy if they're running them SMRs. Hey, I like that. I like that. I like that. Top boy shot style, huh? What's up with the Bomba Clyde, River boys? Chat Capital. We buying this or what? Chat Capital. What's up with the Bomba Clyde, River boys? 10, 9. If you haven't voted in the YouTube poll, get your butt in there, smash that like button, and press. Buy if you like it, pass if you don't. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Let's freaking cook. We're rocking. All right, what's the outcome? It's a buy. Hey, let's freaking go! Congratulations, BWX Technologies! Congratulations, BWX Technologies! Good goop, good goop. Good goop right there. Let's freaking go. What's the ticker? What's the ticker? BWXT. Okay, 200.40. I need 400. And then the price target, PT. 278. Y'all wanted to go to 278. All right. You want it, you got it then, huh? You want it, you got it then, huh? And then, what was the buy? What was the buy? 56%. Oh, congrats. Sorry, 56%. I love how it's not obvious. It's like a very we have a very diversified kind of poll community here. This is good. This is good goop. This is good goop. You know what I'm saying? But this is awesome. First and foremost, shout out to every single one of you all that are taking the time to intellectually learn about a business. Taking the time to formulate your thoughts, crystallize them, and then come into the chat and submit the form to pitch. It costs absolutely nothing to pitch. It costs absolutely nothing to pitch, right? But you're just investing the time to learn how to make a smart money move. The literal intellectual process, chat. Let me go full screen for this because I'm talking my talk, all right? The literal intellectual process of understanding a business, understanding its value proposition, understanding the moat, and writing it down, you are doing what the top 1% of asset managers in the world do. This is how hedge fund millionaires and billionaires operate. And you are all operating at that same level. So W's in the chat, and congrats to you all for just entering this journey of thinking like an institutional shred lord. All right? That's what I'm talking about. You guys are absolutely freaking crushing it. I'm so proud of y'all. Let's keep these things growing. Let's keep these pitches coming. Every single Friday we pitch stocks, and we are going to see, is this the last one? Oh, snap. We talked about this. Oh, snap. We talked about this. We talked about this. Hey, look. This right here, this is Equinix. I'm not saying Equinox. I need 2 bad up in Equinox. Huh? Nah. I need 2 data centers up in Equinix. You know what I'm saying? This is Equinix, folks. They are the Airbnbs of data centers. They have the existing infrastructure of data centers worldwide, and they lease out some of that space to companies that need data center infrastructure and connectivity capacity. All right? They're currently trading at $956 per share. It's a pretty pricey stock. But whoever pitched this said that there's a $965 upside. Now let's talk about the thesis. The thesis here is the AI infrastructure backbone. 270 plus data centers across 36 countries, positions as a critical private AI and hybrid cloud enabler. Not just for the big hyperscalers, but for everybody. And the network effect, once you get someone into that ecosystem, they're pretty sticky, creates an 8 out of 10 moat score with high switching costs. How hard is it to switch your data center providers? Oh, pretty darn difficult, all right? Irreplaceable positioning, strategic presence at the internet's critical intersections, aka the landlord of the internet, that's a dog name, with direct interconnection ecosystem impossible to replicate at scale. Ooh, this is good goop. This is good goop. All right. Stable cash generation, high margin recurring revenue model with dividend growth providing low volatility exposure to secular digitalization and AI infrastructure build out. So chat, do this with me, all right? This is Equinix, not Equinox. We need 2 bad data centers up in Equinix, all right? EQIX. Are we buying this? Or are we passing on this investment opportunity? And this right here is officially the last pitch that was submitted that we're going to include in our Chat Capital stock pitch competition. So with that, I'll let you guys go crazy with that while we get here with our final song. Let's roll. Chat, what are we doing? What are we doing? It's not a what? I need $1 billion. This is a $94 billion market cap company. I want 94 of those things. Let's freaking rock. And I still got it. I need $1 billion. James, yes, of course. If you want to pitch a stock, James, it's not Discord. It's a Google form. It's a Google form. It's here. It's like a form here. Hey, Vade, how you doing, legend? Welcome back, Top Dog Shred Lord. Thank you so much. Make sure you vote on the YouTube poll. Are you buying or passing on this? And I appreciate you reaching out on LinkedIn. Our LinkedIn content's been going crazy, guys. One of our posts hit 100,000 impressions on LinkedIn. We're crushing it. I don't think anybody's doing finance content like me, yo. We going crazy. Real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. Chat Capital, what we doing? And I still got it. I need $1 billion. Let's be real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. What are we doing on this name? And I still got it. I need $1 billion. Yeah, my balls. Chat, what the heck y'all doing? Vote on the YouTube poll. Let's freaking go. My car's got tits in it. I should get what's light mode? Put your chick in it. I should call your mom like I love your chicken dish. So she calls you up and says that Kayvon kid's legit. You should look up to him. He can make it hit. I said what's up to him. You can't take that. What's night mode, babe? I can't fake that shit. I'm the one to get. What are we doing with this name? Equinix. Almost ready to tour and tear the scene up. Equinix. Century to earn my freedom. Got 100 more years to go. Won't kick my feet up on my Kanye. That's a good question for Adub and Garrett and James, our OG equity guys. I got thoughts too, but you guys should answer that one.
can't take it out of me. Mommy
Come on,
would be
chat,
proud
vote,
of me.
vote,
Be
vote.
real about it. I mean, I don't really care about how you feel about it. I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. That's not a real problem.
And I still got it. I need a.
$1 billion.
Let's be real about it.
I mean, I don't really care about
How you feel about it?
I mean, I don't even really have a real hobby. It's not a real problem.
That's probably why I'm going blind.
I need $1 billion.
All right, chat. If you have not hit the vote button, this is literally your final chance to first and foremost smash that like button, because that's how we cooking out here with Smart Money Moves Chat Capital. But also to vote on this name, Equinix, the Airbnbs of data centers. Are you buying this one or are you passing? Because on Tuesday, when the market opens, Chat Capital is doing something. All right? Are we buying this or are we passing this? If you have not hit that vote on the poll, make sure you do so now for the Shred Lords to understand what are we doing. So I'm going to give you guys 10, 9, 8, 7. JK, you missed the bucket. What we doing here? What we doing here? Woo! Equinix, congratulations! W Goop, W Goop, W Goop. All right. This one is a buy. Equinix. EQNX. Oh, wait, no. EQIX. The price at the pitch was 95619. 95619. 95619. Good goop. Good goop. And then the $965 upside. 965. Good goop. And it was a buy. Oh my gosh. That one, this one went crazy. This was a logical setup. This was a logical setup. Hey, let's freaking go, dudes. Let's freaking go, dudes. We're going to look back at this each week to see if we regret or are proud of our decisions. Wow. Let's do a quick recap for the chat. Let's do a quick recap. We started the session with Intel. Everybody knows what Intel is doing. They're the US-based chip manufacturer. And that was actually a stalemate, Cool Webby. So you might want to bring this one back to market, all right? And get some folks to nut up and get it together, all right? But it was 50-50, but because it was not majority, we could not purchase, all right? Next was Global X Defense Tech. Y'all must really like this tech for the warfare, all right? That was a buy, WAW, for 58% buy. Next, Boeing. We all know they produce the airplanes, all right? And this one here, we pitched it, and 55% decided to pass, okay? Then, BWX Technologies. They do naval nuclear reactor manufacturing. This is probably my most exciting one because I never knew about this sector. I never knew about this business. They have a regulatory monopoly. They have a $6 billion backlog, and they have this cool, like, consumer segment. That's pretty darn special. And it was on an 83% rip over the last year. This is good goop. This is good goop. And y'all liked it too. It was 56% buy. Let's rock. And then Equinix, the Airbnbs of data centers. The Airbnbs of data centers is sitting at a 78% buy. So W's to you guys in the chat. We are making these trades literally on Tuesday when the market opens. All right, that's how we roll here at Chat Capital. We're making smart money moves. So if you ain't putting a W in the comments or W in the chat, I don't know what y'all doing because I don't know a single creator making hedge fund style moves with Chat Capital's capital. All right, so that was freaking epic. Let's roll. But if you have not pitched, make sure you pitch for the portfolio. And if you have a really good idea we need to look at, drop that in the comments down below. So W for Chat Capital. Let's keep it freaking rocking and rolling, y'all. Nice. Good stuff, chat. That was perfect. Wonderful pitches. Dude, you guys are elite. This is great pitches. And I'll give you guys some inside baseball. One of my hedge fund friends manages like almost $1 billion book. He told me to buy Intel. Right? There's something happening out there that makes Intel really attractive. This right here, this is a super good name. Equinix. Everybody needs to have exposure to this, but don't expect crazy returns because it has infrastructure-like returns. Boeing, I would have passed on this too. It's a sleepy name, but you will get market rate style returns. All right. It's a cockroach business. You just got to get it at the right entry point. And then the Global X Defense Tech, I'm 50-50. Sometimes I avoid those like politically sensitive stocks because it's just like you just never know what happens. But the world is just getting crazier and crazier, and you might as well buy some Global Defense Tech, to keep people safe. And then those were the pitches. But over our tenure, and we've only been streaming for, according to Garrett, 44 days, we've pitched EchoStar, Ondas, Coupang, Caterpillar, Universal Electronics, Daikin. This is still one of my favorites. Dang, that Japanese one. We might need to pitch that one again. Lithium Americas, Intel, Global X Defense Tech, Boeing, BWX, Equinix. These are like official pitches. Hey, y'all keep crushing it. Y'all are literally going crazy. Oh, Edgar, you got the reference? Yeah, we're bringing those references to the finance niche. Good goop. All right, good freaking goop. I'm working, boss. I'm trying, boss. I'm sorry, boss. Let's freaking rock and let's freaking roll. You know what I'm saying? Anywho, what y'all been doing? Y'all like the pitches? Give y'all honest thoughts. Y'all like the pitches? This is kind of fun, right? By the way, this is how literally like a private equity firm, hedge fund like operates. Like usually every single week, there's like a investment committee or like a round table, and like you got your spotlight to pitch your stock. One of these days we're gonna do the Discord voice. If you guys notice, there's the Discord voice channel, right? So we might get the Discord voice set up, and you guys can come on stream and like verbalize your pitch. You know what I'm saying? So we might do something like that. But I just want to make sure you guys are prepared, and I don't want to set you guys up for failure to get absolutely grilled by the chat. You know? But the thing is, James, we can buy fractional shares. My account allows me to buy fractional shares. So even if it's like Berkshire Hathaway Class A stock, that's like $700,000 a share. We can still buy a piece of it if we want. So, hey, James, I'm down to make some big boy plays. I'm down to invest some big boy stocks, I'm not running from the pressure. I was built for the pressure, Mr. James. All right? I was built for the pressure. You know what I'm saying? Bring it on. Bring it on. That's what I'm here for. That's what I am here for. Shoot, we rocking and rolling, making moves that everybody else scared to do. Everybody's scared to do the work. Literally, everybody's scared to make smart money moves like this, y'all. Everybody's scared to make all that. Fractional shares for individual stocks and ETFs are fractional shares of everything. I don't think because right now we're on Robinhood, guys. Don't tell them that because I don't want them thinking they can get away with not sponsoring me. But we're using them right now, for now. Until a sponsor comes across and they're like, oh, use ours and put our thing on there. And I'm like, yeah, but you got to pay us $10 billion. You know? But I'm working on getting us like a dedicated like broker sponsor, chat. And like what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to set it up to where they sponsor like us to like have like a great trading account to do our investments, but then also to help us do giveaways. That'll be super cool. To where like if we just give them like a cool dedicated segment, they help us do like giveaways, and we can like give away either like money or stock to people. I'm not going on the record for this. I don't know if it's possible. I think it should be, because these gaming streamers are giving away like prizes and stuff all the time. We should be able to give away stock and stuff to the chat. So that's like the number one criteria for these brands that I'm speaking with, is that they have to be a good, valid platform with like strong liquidity and good user interface, so that we can like do all this like together on stream. But then you also have to enable us to do some giveaways. So they gotta up the budget for us. You know what I'm saying? This Shred Lord ain't afraid of making big money moves. Hey, James, we all part of the James, invite us to the big boy table, man. We just trying to get like you, sir. Hey, we just trying to get like you, sir. Give us a shot, James. Give us a shot. You know what I'm saying? Give us a shot. We'll prove you that we the top dog Shred Lords, man. Let us play real ball. Let us play varsity real quick. Let us play varsity, man. Let us play varsity. But you guys crushed it with the names in the pitch. Did anybody pitch one of these that I didn't give you credit for? Like, who did Boeing? Who did BWXT? This is a banger find. Who did BWXT? This is such a good name. And then Equinix, I think I asked somebody to do that, right? I think when we looked at it earlier this week, I kind of begged somebody to pitch it. So I assume A-Dub or Garrett put that one in. Because I was like, guys, can someone please pitch this? Because when we looked at it, it was just like too good to pass up on. You did BWXT? Hey, let's go, A-Dub. Good one, good one. That's good goop. That's good goop right there, y'all. That's good goop. That's good goop. But put whatever you did. Everybody gets credit. And guys, I'm so serious. Like, look, I'm going full screen. There is not a single barrier to pitch. There's not a single barrier at all to pitch. If you are intellectually curious, if you just came across a name, put it in the form and we will learn together, okay? Do not feel as if you are not smart enough or if it's too complex or you don't have like the Bloomberg terminals. Literally anybody can pitch. Anybody can pitch in the portfolio. You can contribute ideas, and if you don't want to pitch, you can literally just, figure out how to give us resources or press buy or press pass. This is not intended to be Kenny running Chat Capital. This is intended for Chat to run Chat Capital. Because as you can see, I'm not even allowed to vote. All I do is make a presentation of the ideas that you guys bring to market. I don't even vote. These are ideas that you bring to market. And I polish the presentation a little bit and I run through what you found in your investment thesis and I let every single one of you guys vote. I let every single one of you guys vote. You don't need to go to Harvard. You don't need to go to Wharton. You didn't have to work at Blackstone. You didn't have to get an internship at Goldman Sachs. You can bring your full, whole self, regardless of your background, regardless of what you're working on, regardless of if you're a quant, if you're a value investor, if you're a trader, or if you're a subcontractor, whatever you are, whatever your background is, you are welcome here at Chat Capital to make and contribute to a smart money move. This is more than just dollars, guys. This is a community that you can grow with intellectually. You can learn about ideas and businesses that you never knew of. You can make smart money plays that you never wish were possible. And you can see literally the results of us being disciplined, intentional, patient, and watching compounding actually work. Literally, mark my words. We are going to transform Chat Capital into a $1 million AUM educational tool. Okay? This will be a $1 million AUM tool, educational tool. All right, watch. Through compounding, I'm gonna get some of my old bosses and some of my rich hedge fund friends to put some dollars in here, like some big dog dollars in here. Give it time. Give it time. We're about to push some real weight, chat. We're about to push some real weight. Rich topic. I told you guys for the ones that the conviction level were 2 or 1, we're gonna study it together so that once we're ready, it's like a full conviction. All right. And then we're going to officially have it in the pitch. All right. So I assume that you put the Caterpillar in there. So for the ones that were 3, like level 3 conviction, it's like we need to buy that right now. Those get pitched. For the ones that are level 1 and level 2, we're going to look at it together, just like we did with Equinix before. And just like we did with some of the other names, we're going to dive into those together. And then you let me know like via chat when you're ready of like, all right, I have full conviction now. Or it's kind of like, I don't want to do this anymore. But if you have like full conviction, we're going to rock and roll with it. And then it's officially be pitched on that next slot. All right. But I read it. I don't know why you put 2. You should have put 3, bro. That was a good thesis. That was a really good thesis. So Rich Topic had a Caterpillar up. That's a banger idea. Y'all sleeping on that. That was a banger idea. That was a banger idea. But where is it at? It's right here. Yeah, Caterpillar. Yep. So the 2 that we missed are Caterpillar and Energy Services of America. So these 2, the conviction levels weren't 3. They were 2. So we need it to be like a full conviction before we pitch. So maybe we'll like tomorrow or like next week look at the 10K, the annual reports. We'll do diligence together to make sure it's like a really good sound investment before we pitch it. But this is check out. This is what we doing. Wait, Garrett, seriously? W for the smart money move community? Nothing else like it in the whole internet? Ooh, wait, create a publicly available pitch leaderboard. So people kind of almost have a chain of command to reach out to smart shredlords where you're not available for feedback. Ooh, that's a good idea. How should I do that? What's the strategy on that? You be giving me these ideas, but I don't know how to technically do it, bro. Garrett thinks the world of me. He thinks I'm so smart at the technical stuff. Bro, I don't know how to do that. Is it like quantity wise of however many people pitch stuff? I guess we can kind of use this, right? Of like whoever pitches like the most that get bought are kind of like our leader shredlords, you know? And the performance of their pitch? Okay. Right now, A-Dub's at first, which makes sense because A-Dub's our chief investment officer. He's our CIO. But A-Dub, Garrett might come at your neck, bro, because once he's done with that dashboard, he's gonna have a few thousand names ready. He's gonna have a few thousand names. You know? Okay. So Rich Topic. We can so we can do Rich Topic. You just let me know whenever you're ready. Whenever you hop on the stream and you have capacity and time, because I know you're busy, bro. But whenever you're like on the stream and you have time, be like, yo, let's quickly look at Caterpillar, and we'll pull up the stuff and we'll dive into Caterpillar together. All right, we'll dive into Caterpillar together. W idea. Hey, thank you, Retail. I appreciate that. Retail might be our CFO. Retail out here putting top dollars in the market. So he might be our CFO. Jake says, keep a tracker of bought pitches and their performance to see who does well. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, wait. So guys, this is like what the portfolio is like right now. Here's our portfolio right now. Because right now we own BOO. Can you guys see? I'll make it bigger. Garrett's blind. He's literally blind as a bat. So here's our pitches right now. Here's the data was pitched. Here's the stock. Here's the ticker. The amount of shares we bought. I make the portfolio allocation decisions. That's my role as a PM. All right. And then the price at pitch, the yesterday's price, the current price, our cost basis, yesterday's value, current value, and I show the daily loss and gain, and I also show the overall gain and loss as well. Right? So overall, our best performing, we're losing money on our index fund, by the way, the VOO. But our best performing name is, what is this one? Clorox. A sleepy business. Our best one was Clorox. I got to add the price target. Vote. And who's this one? This one was the lead was IC. Who pitched GE? Who pitched GE? So I kind of have this. So Jake, you mean something like this? Mm-hmm. Let's do. Who pitched GE? Did we talk? Oh wait, I can go here. Pitches. Oh, we're missing the GE thing. Wait, I can go maybe here. Oh, it doesn't ask you for your name on here because we keep it anonymous. That's the other good thing too, chat. We keep it anonymous. Who pitched GE? Own up to it. Own up to it. And then who pitched Modine? I think A-Dub did Modine. Clorox. I'm not gonna lie, Clorox is me. Kenny Finance. That was me, guys. I snuck in one. 4-man, 2. Do a 24-hour stream. I did a 12-hour stream last week, like this day last week. Who was there for the 12-hour stream? I can do a 24-hour stream if there's like things to do, like in-person things to do. Like if I'm like moving around and going somewhere or traveling somewhere, Boiler Room 24-hour stream. I'll do a 24-hour stream when I either hit 100K subs or we hit $100,000 in chat capital. Cause y'all act like these long streams don't take a toll on the human body. All right, but these three are now in. Which ones did we buy? Okay, so this. We have to buy this, the portfolio. Oh, wait, okay. There should be a way that I can do this. Buy, and then these two are buy. Oh, poor Boeing. But the thesis for Boeing was good, though. It was, like, really well articulated. Like whoever pitched that really has a nose for the money. All right, and then once we okay, price at pitch. Okay, and then what was Shield's price? Shield's price was this. You know what I should do? I should update this to be like an index match. I act like I forgot where I was freaking. I'm acting like I forgot my freaking. We're gonna leave this to when we actually buy it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And that's gonna upulate once we actually put dollars to work in it. All right. We're gonna put some of our dry powder in there, and I sell down some of our index funds for some of the good names. All right. So we're gonna talk about how many shares we're gonna do. If you guys want us to make bigger decisions, make sure you guys donate on the Streamlabs. Donate on the Streamlabs, all right? Yeah, but also, what if the leaderboard was that kept track of each person that is pitched, a stock that was brought, and then it can show overall performance per individual picker? Ooh. So it kind of like, it's like a top leaderboard of just like assigning by the names. So you can just see like how someone's ideas are doing. That's good, but what if I'm like at the bottom of the leaderboard and like my name suck? That'll be mean, wouldn't it? You know what this is? This is literally Bridgewater Associates. What you guys asked me to do, Jake? That's Bridgewater Associates. That's what they do. They have a leaderboard, like that's available to the whole office to see. Like they have a leaderboard that showcases like their like annual performance, both financially and just like year in review wise. Oh, but we decided to buy it, so we suck too? All right, fine. That's fair. All right, we're doing it. We're doing it. You own the leaderboard, you're not on it? Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's very true. That's true. Look, you guys are the investment analysts. All right. Who pitched Boeing? Or who pitched General Electric? GE. Make sure you guys tell me who pitched GE. And then SHLD. That was A-Dub also. You better be pitching more. A-Dub's about to be doing laps around y'all. But it's expected because he's our and who did EQIX? A-Dub, was that also you? A-Dub, don't feel ashamed if it's all you. That's why you're assigned the CIO. That's fine. All right. And then we're gonna do a leaderboard. Oh, you pitched Boeing? Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, wait, but it didn't buy. Okay. But, okay, do I have your name here, though, for Boeing? Good work. Nice. Dude, the Boeing thesis was institutional. That was the institutional pitch. Like, you hit the most needle-moving topics on that name. I don't know how you were doing it, but that was freaking epic, dude. That was freaking epic, bro. See ya. A-Dub, I assume you did Equinix? I'm just guessing. I can kind of tell A-Dub. Wait, let me see. I just gotta see. I can tell if it's A-Dub or not based on the pitch. Here's like the raw pitch names. Yeah, when it's long like this, probably A-Dub. Moat score. Or Garrett. Wait, Garrett, is this you with this moat score stuff and stuff? Because whenever there's like the score, there's like you didn't do it. Because whenever there's like a moat score and stuff, it's usually like Garrett. I think it was Garrett. Garrett, was that you? Own up to it. Don't be scared. We bought it. It was the top performer one in there, or top performing vote. Who did this? Mystery. It's a mystery. You better own up to it. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing it. I literally need to do an index match. I'm gonna do an index match off stream. I don't want to be boring y'all with that. All right. And then Jake says, has a leaderboard based on everything that they pitched and how it's done overall. And the way how we do that is going to be taking the cost basis versus the current value of wherever someone pitched and have that cumulatively added to see the overall blended returns to date and inception of that person. Ooh, this is about to get competitive. This is about to get competitive, chat. Ooh. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that. That's a little competitive bet. You know what? Garrett's being quiet. It was Garrett. I can tell. Talking about moat score. Boy, stop out here trying to hide from it. Stop trying to hide from it. I knew it was you. Talking about moat score. Ain't nobody got a dashboard like that besides you, twin. All right. What's our... Okay. Chat Capital. We putting stuff to work. We putting stuff to work. Chat Capital. This is good. And then this was my favorite one that we couldn't buy because we can't buy freaking Spanish equity. This one literally has a monopoly on Spanish aviation IT services. It's so freaking good. It's so freaking good, guys. I love that name. I love that name. It's a spicy goop, but it's good. It's freaking good, chat. It is freaking good. What other name should we be looking at? James, give us one. Give us one of those names, man. Come on, James. Give us one of those names, bro. And I feel like Jake's got some good names too. Jake, don't be gatekeeping, bro. Bro, this is not the place where we gatekeep, bro. Do not be gatekeeping. Same with you, retail. I know you about that. I know you about that life. I know you about that life. Stop messing around here, y'all, and put some of the dang names in the chat or pitch it, all right? I'm trying to find this good goop. Come on. We're trying to make some smart money moves. I'm trying to feed my family. I'm feeding my family off of y'all ideas. Ooh, SEB. Okay, now we're talking some good goop. All right, Mr. James. Whoa. Ooh. Dude. James, you might be a legend. Oh, James, you might be a legend. All right, this one's going to the watch list. Add this to the watch list. Add this to the watch list. What is this? SEB. I'm going to fill this out of what all this stuff means anyway. But, okay. This is a good one. Wait, let's go to the financials. What is NYSC American? What does that even mean? I gotta play my, recent S&C filings. Form 10K. Okay. Give me that. I'll take that. Hey, that's easy goop. I'll take that. Go to the financials. Okay. Page what? 26? Net sales. Pretty consistent. Total sales. Going up year over year. They have product and service revenue. Service revenue is expanding. I assume the service revenue has stronger margins. Okay. EBIT of 410 million. Okay. What do they do? Hold on, I'm out here diving the numbers. I don't even know what they do. diversified multinational agribusiness and transportation conglomerate, best known as a top U.S. pork producer through Seaboard Foods, a major containerized shipping line via Seaboard Marine. I never heard about this business a single day of my life. I learned a brand new idea. Heck yeah. And it's been crushing it. It's literally been crushing it. Ooh, get our analyst on it. Hold on. Where's my analyst? Here you are. Yeah. Yeah. Let me get my analyst on it. That's right. That's right. While everybody's chasing AI, you got to chase the ones that are weird. Okay. Don't do. Let me go back to my goop. SCB. This is such a peaceful tune. Okay, now. Lock in. Deep search. Act as head of agribusiness at the Tiger Cub Long Short Equity Firm. Let's take this AI specifically one out. You understand everything about. You got to train your AI to understand pattern recognition. Otherwise, it's not going to do anything important. All right. And then let's do Seaboard Corp. Seaboard Corp, SEB. Boom. Let's see it. Let's see if it likes you. James. My analyst is look, it keeps it strictly to the facts. You see how it addresses to investment committee? Yeah, let's roll. All right, Seaboard Corporation reported a stellar finish to fiscal year 2025, with fourth quarter results released on February 12th, demonstrating a powerful margin rebound that challenges the long-running bearish narrative on this name. The firm's diversified yet cyclical model has finally generated significant tailwinds, particularly in its commodity trading and marine divisions, which have effectively counterbalanced persistent losses in the pork segment. That's fire. The headline figures are strong, but the core story for us remains the sequencing of margin recovery in commodity-driven businesses, and what that signals our broader position in 2020. Okay. $2.4 billion, an impressive EPS of $264 a share. Dang, that's a lot. Largely aided by $170 million domestic deferred tax asset valuation allowance. For all accountants out there, you know what that means. The critical pattern recognition here relates to the net margin expansion. Trailing 12 months margin improved to 5% from just 1% last year. That's a significant beat right there. That's a significant beat. All right. Interpretation. The pork segment, showing out. U.S. pork market has faced its worst period of financial losses in its history, characterized by oversupply, labor shortages, and regulatory hurdles. Seaboard's pork segment has reported operating losses in recent years. However, the strong overall market results suggest that other segments have effectively cross-subsidized the pork division. Just imagine when pork comes back. I don't think it will, but I eat pork. Y'all eat pork? I love bacon. And I know some people can't do it for religious purposes, so I respect that. In cyclical commodity businesses, maximum pessimism often coincides with the market trail. Our read, consistent with historical pattern across similar businesses, is that U.S. pork market is draining oversupply and is poised for a positive outlook in the coming years. The commodity trading and marine segment. This is their moat. The competitive moat is in their diversification and low debt levels. Really? What's their debt like? Let's see what their debt's like. Not a lot of cash. Short-term investments, I don't know what that is. Like JVs for somebody? Or buying marketable securities? Oh, their trading division, maybe. This could be their positions on their trading business, right? PP&E, line of credit, small. Long-term debt, tiny. Relative to like the revenue and earnings they have. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. The company has invested in 5 new vessels to expand its marine operations. CapEx that is now paying off, and the timing of these investments and the subsequent margin expansion is a classical indicator of management's ability to navigate commodity cycles. This is so freaking nice. For Seaboard specifically, the potential for recovery in the pork market, combined with strong performance from its core diversified operations, positions the company well. And they have a price target of $5,300. Whoa! All right. And apparently that's just one of the many names that Mr. James is sitting on. That's just one of the many names that our guy, Mr. James, is sitting on. Look, I'm not going to judge. All I'm going to say is that guy must be eating well. Shout out to Mr. James, because that guy must be eating well. I appreciate you for sharing this teaser of an opportunity, Mr. James. All right? But you got to submit it in the pitch form if you want to put it in a portfolio, and we're going to vote on it next week. So next Friday we have our pitch competition. All right? But, wow. W plays, chat. W plays. And James says he's got a dozen of these. Just give us 5 of them. Just give us 5 of them, all right? That's all I asked for. So for everybody that contributed, well, first and foremost, I got to give some special thanks. Special thanks to Retail for the contributions to Chat Capital. Special thanks to Inspire Thyself Motivation for the incredible message and the donations. I appreciate everybody that contributes to Chat Capital. It helps enable and funds our education for investing and making smart money moves. Mark my words, we're going to have $1 million portfolio with this. All right? We're going to have $1 million portfolio with this. And to everybody else that pitched, Cool Webby, crushed it. W Themes, W Ideas. A-Dub, crushed it. W Names, W Ideas. I think Garrett pitched one. I think he's not owning up to it, but W pitched Garrett. I appreciate that. All right? Somebody pitched something that's going to transform our lives. All right? We're learning together. We're hunting together. We're sitting on earnings calls. I don't think there's another single person on the internet that's doing this. All right? So that's what this community is for. If you guys are not on the Discord, get your butts in there. Get your butts in there. All right? Oh, thank you so much, James. I appreciate that. Oh, Garrett didn't pitch it. All right, somebody else. Dang it, Garrett. I'm out here giving you credit. Boy, you ain't getting no... All right, whoever pitched that's a sleeper banger. Someone's making... Oh, maybe Edwin. Maybe it was Edwin. Ooh. You know? Oh, James, don't do it. 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 You can do it through YouTube or whatever. Heck yeah, Retail. Put them up there, man. Put them up there. Get the screeners up and running. Everybody bring the screeners. Everybody bring the screeners, the ideas, the dashboard, all the works. All the works. And James, don't use any platform that you had compromised, man. It's I appreciate the thought, but you don't need to, man. It's just if it puts you at risk, man. So we're just here for educational purposes and vibing. But chat, look, I love this stuff, dude. As you can see, I'm freaking hooked. All right, and it's like it's the most exciting time period of my day, and that's just getting smarter with you guys, learning about ideas, markets, businesses. Oh, also, special W to Edwin that had a great rep with his trash bin cleaning business. And I'm praying and hoping that that is the first of many. But for everybody else, enjoy the pressure. Enjoy the grind. Enjoy growing the daily deposits and improving yourself day in and day out. That is literally the purpose of this, is to give you a safe space to see more clearly your potential. Intellectually, financially, spiritually, mentally. There is levels to what you could achieve and who you can become. And I'm keeping it a buck. A lot of people can't handle the kind of pressure that you guys are handling. And all I'm saying is keep wearing it and handling it well. Whether you're taking care of yourself, whether you're taking care of your family, whatever you're doing, keep wearing the pressure well. All right? Because he's not going to give it to somebody that can't handle it. And I'll leave it at that. So chat, happy freaking Fridays. Congrats to everybody that pitched, whether it passed or we bought it. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I'll catch you Shred Lords tomorrow. Peace. That was perfect.